everybody, what is going on? So today we're just gonna do a little bit of TLC, tender loving care on the Wacky Wife's Nissan Rogue. In case anybody cares, all-wheel drive, blah 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 blah, SV. It's a daily, kinda daily. And fuck my way fucker goes. La da 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 da. We like to party. La da la da la. Won't hurt nobody. Where the heck does this thing go? Where is? Oh, there it goes. Sorry, my first time popping the hood on this thing. Hold on, let me get some better light. Alright. And of course, my magnet will not work. Hook this up. Alright. Woo! That's too bright. Alright. Can't wait to get a better lighting situation here for you guys. But, yep, like I said, today is gonna be an easy day. We're just gonna do oil change on this bad boy, and then we're gonna sit it back down. Or we got it up on the ramps. You got to see, I got this nifty little headgear, so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna get going this. Once again, we'll apologize for the terrible lighting. I am working on remedying that. So I'll be right back once I get everything set up. Alright, we are back and all set up. I had to locate things first, like I said, since this is my first time on the hit this. We've gotten it, and we are I don't know how well you guys can see that. We are looking at a 14 millimeter oil pan, and then right there. Let me switch to LED. So there's a little pan, back here behind your passenger side wheel, and there is your oil filter. It's a tiny little thing, very tiny. So now that makes sense. So we're gonna get that cracked off. We're gonna get this sucker going. So watch me do the thing. Enjoy the ride. So the one good thing about having a wheel wrench, if I may say, is that you don't have to waste your time jacking up the car because it's such a quick job, and it also helps with your drain angle. The only thing is that when you go to back your car off, make sure you haven't forgotten to put your oil in. Daddy almost did that one time and scared the bejesus out of me, if you know what I mean. Alright, so this is really the boring part, so I'm going to be right back once I get the oil filter on and I start backing the sucker down. Alright, the final step. Add your fluids. Oh yeah, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Just gonna hold this little steady. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that goldenness. So Just a little tidbit for those of you who first time oil changers just getting into the game. Alright, usually you can check the top of your oil cap. That'll tell you what type of oil you use. Most cars nowadays 5W30, starting off with conventional. Unless you have something that's turbocharged, supercharged, they're typically going to go with some sort of full synthetic. Even if they don't, I personally prefer a full synthetic. Gives it a little bit more support throughout the system as you're working it, especially if you like to gun it. And if it's not on your engine oil cap, you can check your owner's manual in the back under the fluids and specs. Usually there might be a placard somewhere inside your engine bay, or you can just, Google it. You can usually find things pretty fast nowadays if you just Google it. Yeah. This is also another good time to check your oil, not your oil, obviously we're doing oil, to check your air filter and or your spark plugs, depending on the kind of mileage you have on your car. So, pop that little bad boy right back on there. This one will bite down pretty hard, so I have to use a wrench to help me get it off. But one nice little tidbit that I found out about this car that I just discovered. Let me switch to LED mode. Boom! We got you. What do you want? Too late. You're on camera. Everybody say hi. Yep, say hi. Yep. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No deletes. We don't have nothing, people. So, as I was saying, before I was so rudely interrupted, I realized that this sucker has a window into the sole of the air filter. So, you got a little tab right here. Pull that back. And then you squeeze on these little tabs right here. Takes a little bit, boop. Well, not so much a boop boop, but it'll come. You just gotta wiggle it just a little bit. Gonna wiggle it just a little bit. Come on, girl. All right, there we go. And you can peek into the window of your intake sole. So I can see that this filter is getting pretty close to the end of its life. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Pull out, a leaf. Yeah, so I'm going to need a new filter the next time we do this. Or if I can get into the depths of Walmart or AutoZone, I will take care of it then. But that's a nice little feature that Nissan did. That you can just slide it on, kind of do a quick check. And, without having to take everything completely apart. A little bit of a fight, but, all the way it works. Alright. Happy wrenching. Wrench daily.